Yes, the next topic, MS Word pages. Pages, cover page, blank page, page break. How to prepare the cover page and how to load it the cover page blank, and how to give the blank pages, how to give the page break in MS Word, and how to insert the own cover page in the cover page blank. These are I explained in this video. First step, click insert, then click cover page. In this cover pages so many available in there. Insert full formatted cover page. You fill in the title, author and date and other information. Yes, insert. There click cover page. These are all available in the cover page window. See here. Click insert. There cover page. Click cover page. There are so many cover pages are available. What's given here? Date, time and I'm checking in this cover page. I typing name, computer, subtitle, MS Office. Any information we have given here. Now in this cover page not look like not good. I change the cover pages. Again click cover page. Select in this one. Here once observed here, you given to the computer spelling, but not a change in that. Only background of the cover page only changing. Your information given on the previous cover page, that is not deleted. Another points is available. If filling on that, this is selected after filling all the informations on given here. Company name, company address, phone number and fax number. Pick up the date and the hi my computer is very computer company is very good. These are all available on here. All are typing on here. Yes, this is also not good. Again change that one. Clicking on here, change. See here, all are filling in this. Your words are given to the previous and previous details that all are available. Only pick in the date on enough. This is the how to cover page filling. Now how to prepare the insert already prepared in cover page. How to insert in own cover page in the cover page up window. How to insert the own cover page in cover page window. Steps. This is my cover page prepared. Steps 4. Prepare the cover page first. First prepare the one cover page. Next selected all objects. This available in the how many objects are given in this one. 2 is the letters, text, all are background colors, background boxes, all are selected. Click the cover page button and click save select to cover page gallery. This is fourth step is click. These 4 steps are available. Prepare the cover page, your prepared one cover page loaded on the cover page up window. Yes, I am preparation one cover page. How to load it on this one? First all selected. First step is over. Next step is prepare the one cover page. Next step is selected all. 2 steps is over. Third step is click the cover page. There selected save selection to the cover page gallery and given to some name. Click OK. Click OK. See here, your cover page comes to here. The next one, blank page. Insert the new blank page in the cursor position. Insert and blank page, click. The last one is the insert and page break. The two is how to given. Yes. Next one, insert blank page. Insert blank page. Clicking here. Cursor is here. Click the blank page. Blank page comes. But cursor given to here. Click the blank page. The first paragraph after given to the blank page. The remaining where are going on that? Third page. Where are going on that? Third page here. I am clicking on that first paragraph. Second paragraph. Second paragraph after taking the one blank page, after remaining paragraph is where are going? Third page. This is called a page break. Blank page. Next, page break. My cursor is given to here. Next, given to the page break. Click the page break. Click the page break. Now page break after second para and third paragraph is divided the two pages. Observe here. Divided to the two pages. This is called a blank page and page break. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Like a Hellcat.